Alright mga amigos, may mungkahi ang boxing Hall of Famer na si Timothy Bradley kay Floyd Money Mayweather na gumawa ng kasaysayan. Isang makasaysayang laban na posibleng bumasag ng mga record sa boxing history. Mula kasi ng talunin ni Terence Bud Crawford si Saul Canelo Alvarez nitong nakaraang buwan ng Setyembre. Si Crawford na kinikilalang pound for pound king at maraming naghihintay sa kanyang susunod na hakbang kung sino nga ba ang kanyang susunod na kakalabanin. Kasabay niyan ay ang mga alingaw-ngaw na posibilidad na rematch ni Floyd Money Mayweather kay pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Pero para kay Bradley, hindi ito ang kanyang gustong makitang laban. Sa mga sports debate, madalas mapag-usapan ng era versus era. Parang Michael Jordan versus LeBron James. Kaya't ang suwestyon ni Bradley kung gusto daw pong bumasag ng record ni Mayweather at Crawford, maging malaking pangalan sa henerasyong ito at gusto nilang magkamal ng limpak-limpak na salapi, mangyaring maglaban silang dalawa. At tinitiyak daw po ni Bradley na buong planeta ang manonood. Ani Bradley sa panayam ng Fight Hype, "The fight that I want to see is not a Manny Pacquiao or Mayweather fight. We talk about era versus era all the time. Michael Jordan, LeBron James, all this stuff. If you want to break records, you want to make money, you want to put that all on the line, and want to be huge in this generation, Mayweather and Terence Crawford, I promise you, you would break records and be paid beyond your wildest dreams. Everyone on planet Earth would be watching. Everyone saying, I think Crawford would beat Mayweather. Well, let's see it. Mayweather is constantly in shape. He's constantly doing exhibitions. Why not? You're about that money, right? Why not? They gotta be willing to put those O's on the line. I know Crawford is, but I'm not sure if Mayweather is willing to put his O on the line. Mayweather is still a killer, so why not share the ring with Crawford?" Well, kung nakataya po ang perfect record ni Mayweather na 50-0, malamang na dumugin ang laban na ito. Kung si Lolo Tyson nga dinumog pa noong ipalabas ng Netflix ang kanilang laban ni Jake Paul. Kaya masasabi natin na may potential din talaga itong Crawford versus Mayweather kung maikakasa. Lalo na kung Netflix din na magpapalabas ng laban. Ito kasi yung mga tipo ng laban na fantasy fight talaga. Mga match-up na what if. Magiging malaking laban talaga ito mga amigos kung isusugal ni Mayweather yung kanyang undefeated record tapos isusugal naman ni Crawford yung kanyang undefeated record at undisputed title. Alalahanin natin si Bernard Hopkins sa edad 49 naging world champion pa. Sa edad kaya na 48 ni Mayweather, malay natin ang kanyang hit and run style hindi masolusyonan ni Terence Crawford.